folks, how you doing today? Welcome back to another episode of Bob's Bottom Shelf. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy rum cocktail, the Banana Fosters Daiquiri. This is going to be the third daiquiri we've made here at Bob's Bottom Shelf, so make sure you check the description or the links up in the corner to see the previous two daiquiris we made. So what is a Bananas Foster, you might be wondering? Well, the Bananas Foster, it's an elegant dessert. It was invented in New Orleans in 1951 in the Vieux Carré restaurant. And it consists of bananas, vanilla ice cream, butter, brown sugar, dark rum, cinnamon, banana liqueur. It sounds delicious. And today we're gonna make our Bananas Foster cocktail using some 99 bananas. This is banana liqueur. And this is not 99 proof, this is only half proof. I just picked it up at the corner store. I just wanted to show you that you could still make something cool with something cheap like that. And we're using Bacardi spiced rum. Make sure you're using a rum with vanilla flavor, kind of like this Bacardi here. And I also believe that Admiral Nelson is a more vanilla-centric spiced rum. And the Kuiper butter shots to add our butterscotch flavor. All right, so let's go ahead and start by adding 1 ounce of half-and-half cream, milk, really whatever you have. Next, we're gonna go ahead and do 2 ounces of our banana liqueur, if I can manage to get this sucker open. This is just ridiculous. So our 99 bananas here, this is actually a artificial banana flavor, obviously, and it doesn't taste anything like real bananas because the banana species used to make the artificial banana flavor is pretty much extinct. There's not that much of them left, but its legacy will live on in the artificial banana flavor. Next, we're gonna do half an ounce of butter shots. And we'll finish it off with 1.5 ounces of spiced rum. And let's double strain out our Banana Fosters Daiquiri. Alright folks, Banana Fosters Daiquiri. How many times can I say that in the video? Cheers! Well, let's see, I kind of taste a bit of everything. I taste the banana. Kind of wish there was a little bit more banana flavor, but I certainly do taste it. I taste the spiced rum, the butter, the butterscotch, and it all pairs together or goes together really well and does taste like something similar that you would expect from a real Banana Foster's dessert. So that does make this a dessert cocktail. It's a little bit of a strong cocktail, I've noticed too. It comes through afterwards, so you could try using a little bit less of a spiced rum. And you could also try using just like a banana syrup or banana pulp if you can manage to find that, if you're really looking for something with a very forward banana flavor. But overall, this works. Alright folks, that's gonna do it for today's episode of Bob's Bottom Shelf. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried a banana cocktail before. And subscribe for more episodes where you save money making cocktails at home using affordable ingredients. See you next time.